Riding 3 deep today. All right, you want to show people how to drive this thing? Come on over here.
Guys!
All right, first what we want to do is we want to start it up.
Yep.
First, make sure it's in neutral before we start it. Check and make sure it's in neutral.
Yep.
Neutral? Okay.
Yep. Back.
All right, push the clutch in.
Forward.
Which one's the clutch?
This.
No.
This.
Yes. Push the clutch in. Put your foot on my foot.
Alright.
No, that's after the air pressure builds up. You have to wait for the low air light. You have to start it up first. Go ahead and start it up. Yep.
That way?
The push button.
This one?
That's turned on. You're good. Now just push the button.
Oh yeah, that's scary, isn't it? One's off. Now the other needs to turn off.
So the first one that was on was the oil pressure. See this gauge right here that's going up? See how it's going up? That's your oil pressure. Say engine oil.
Engine oil.
Yep. But then you have to wait for these 2 air pressure gauges to build up. Right now we're waiting on what to build up?
Yep. For that to go off.
What does that say?
Low air.
You got it, dude. Okay, now what do these 2 gauges say? This one says primary air, and this one says secondary air.
Yeah.
So those are our air tanks, right?
Yep.
The fuel gauge.
Empty stands for full. That's up.
What does it say at the bottom?
Right now it's getting ready to be for empty.
What does it say on the bottom?
Fuel.
Fuel.
It's getting ready to run out of gas, so we're gonna hurry.
Yeah, we need to put some fresh fuel in it first. We want to run the whole fuel out, then dump all of it, and then put some fresh fuel in it when I change the filters.
Yeah.
Are we charging? See, this is our voltage gauge. Just tells us if we're charging or not. Are we in the green?
Yes.
Okay, then we're doing okay. Now, how do you change music on here?
Now, what we do is we press that. So, when I want to do it again, we can do that.
Cool. Now the windshield wiper on the right hand side is probably going to do that weird thing it always does because of the switch. Wait for it. So the windshield wipers are air activated in this truck. Most newer windshield wipers are electric.
Wait for it. Just wait for it.
Okay, I'll wait for it. No, it's just going to go.
Ready? It went off.
Wait.
It went off.
Well, first we got to build up more air pressure than 60 pounds because let me show you what's going to happen. As soon as you push that knob in, these gauges are going to drop down because you're going to supply air to the system, so it's going to take some of your air.
And then we'll have to press this.
No, that's for the trailer. See where it says trailer air? That's only for the trailer. We're not hooked to a trailer right now, so that only supplies air to something that's not there.
And this is for the truck, and
Yeah,
this is for the trailer.
Correctamundo. Alright, I think we're ready.
Alright. Pull it in around.
You're going to push it in. Push hard. There you go.
Got it. Ah, I need to scoop up. We're almost to empty.
So first what we're going to do is we're going to push your foot on the clutch. Actually, first what we're going to do is make sure the door is shut. Lean over this way. I'm going to slam the door again. Alright, now it's shut. Make sure we stay in here. Alright, first we're going to push the clutch in. Alright? Push the clutch in. Then we're going to put it in first gear. First gear is straight forward. Push it straight forward. Hang on. Alright, now it's in there. Alright, now first we're going to turn the wheel a little bit so we can get out of here. Ready? Turn it. Hold and turn it. Start letting off the clutch a little bit. Make it easier to turn. I think you put it in fourth gear, baby girl. Or third gear. Let's start off in low level. Now we're going to back it up a little bit. So go straight up for reverse. Sometimes you have to let the clutch out a little bit. See how when I let the clutch out a little bit, it dropped into gear? Turn the wheel this way, yep. You want to see yourself? Can you see yourself over here?
You can see it now. Without moving.
I like how Snoopy's watching the mirror. This is good. Now,
Oh my.
pull it straight back. Low.
In the mirrors.
Alright, now watch ahead. We're going forward now, so don't look in the mirrors. Okay, ready? We're in high range, that's what's going on. I'll do something funny. Hey, you hit this thing over here. That makes it really hard to start off, alright? Now it's a lot easier to start off. Why does it feel like it's in such a high gear? Hang on. Take it out of gear.
How do you get it over here?
There we Remember reverse is straight up from low low. Sometimes you gotta let the clutch out a little bit to get you in there. Alright, now back to low low. Actually we can go to first gear.